Right there, look. They shut down the highway. Ooh, look at that. Go ahead.
Alert.
Go ahead, go faster. The accident, they shut down the highway, look. It was a real bad
Somebody
accident.
got hurt really bad.
You didn't see the way the truck was all twisted?
With another car?
Yeah, but you didn't see it?
I saw the accident, but I didn't see the other car. It's too wide.
God, look how backed up that is.
Look how far it is, Ma. You know that's serious when they have to shut down the highway.
Sir, come on.
Yeah, it probably is. Who was honking back there?
The truck when somebody was getting in his way.
I guess so, right? It wasn't the one behind me, right?
Yeah, it was, but someone was trying to get in front of him. Backed up for miles. Just outside of New Braunfels.
Oh, look
at
there.
that.
Yeah, he's up there. They're forcing people off the highway.
If I would have had my GPS, the other one, Jake.
Look, you look back there, you can see it.
If I would have had my GPS, there used to cop up there.
Oh, there's another one coming back there.
No, but he's up there.
Yeah, but there's one way back there coming.
No, if I would have had my other GPS, it would have told me about that. Oh, up there. Another accident?
Oh, no.
Oh, no, he's close.
Yeah, look, they're forcing them off the highway, man, look. Right, yep.
Hopefully it'll be cleared up by the time we come back. It will.
Hopefully.
No, it will. It's going to take a couple hours before the highway will...
No, more than that. It looked like, I couldn't see over the wall, but it looked like more.
Alert.
I just saw the car flipped and it all twisted.
The news needs to be told about this. They probably know.
They probably
right?
already know.
Right there?
No.
No. Somebody probably already called. See, man, look, it's still like that, look. Look at all the trucks and everything.
That's a lot of traffic. There goes that stinky van.
Oh, that smells like gas.
Now you can stand this thing. We're almost to
Oh, yeah, we're almost there.
We're almost
Well,
there.
that's where it starts, look. That's where it starts, man. Look, the traffic.
These people have no idea what their delay is gonna be. Right?
No, the truckers know.
No.
Oh, look, that's why they're getting off. That truck got off. He already knows.
Get off the highway. Go the other way.
Alternate route.